Nandun ako.
Hi, Jericho!
Jericho! Ma'am, video lang po. Kasi, picture po. Picture lang po. Ma'am, picture lang po. Ako din po. Ako din po. Ma'am!
Simple na pero beautiful. Ano yung kapatid na kapatid?
Ay, sorry na lang
Thank you
kita.
po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Now, of course, our director, Direct May Cruz Alviar. Once again, the loyalty game out on July 3, 2020.
Ako din po.
For the loyalty game out on July 3, this Friday na po yan, on Prime Video. We have 2 episodes every weekend for you guys to watch. Yeah, we are very, very excited for you guys to head on over there on July 3. Excited for our advanced screening as well. Again, a social experiment. A very... Cinema 6 po tayo.
Nakakit ka ba?
Yes. Later on, we will be joined by, of course, our artists, mamaya, Janine Gutierrez, Jericho Rosales will join. Loyalty testers natin, kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung trailer, please feel free to do so. Of course, we also have our artists as well for PBB Collab Season 1. Emilio Daes, is that you? Yes, it is! Emilio Daes is here and present sa ating blue carpet. Of course, here to support Kira from PBB Collab Season 1 as well. Emilio Daes present here sa ating blue carpet. We have artists gracing the stage and gracing our carpet. Our cast will be coming in a few minutes, but of course, Diego Gutierrez is also here. Diego from PBB Collab Season 1 is here ready to grace our blue carpet. Again, sa lahat ng mga supporters natin, we would also like to remind everyone, well, Bernard Palaka and Mr. Carlito Sigion Reyna. Miss Wilson and Yen Santos. Also part of our The Loyalty Game out on July 3, 2026. Also part of our cast, we would like to call on Charlie Dizon, who will be joining us for our blue carpet of the Loyalty Game.
Ayan na nga, hindi na sabi. Sabay-sabay. Kaya mo. Yes. Yes, sa picture po. Sa picture po.
Okay. Ngayon naman, of course, before we let our cast enter, first of all, congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
There you go. Before we let our cast enter, of course, Direct, Janine, and Jericho. Okay. Ngayon naman, gracing the blue carpet as well as...
Yes, hi, what's up?
Yes, message po to everyone here sa
Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo dito. Maulan na hapon to watch this.
Ako din po, ma'am.
Sige, ay nakapagod.
Kaya nga rin ang pwesto namin na bigas. Eh, sino yan?
Ma'am Carmina! Ma'am Carmina! Si Jerry Pobre. Ma'am! Ma'am!
Charlie dito. Kasama niya. Kala ko. Ako ba? Ganda niya. Silita mo pa.
Parang bata.
Kaya pa. Kaya mabait siya. Tapos Carmina, hindi na mamalik. Ay, i-balance siya. Para siyang Barbie.
Return na. Sige po.
Plus tonight,
Picture po. Picture po.
hindi naman po siya. So no need to worry, your names will be on your seats. Yes, again, this is our blue carpet segment, a very exciting reality experience of Bolas and the cast of the Loyalty Game. First up, Direct Raymond Ocampo and Direct Ian Loreños.
Right! Right! Right, idol! Right!
Ngayon naman, Ariana Alves is also the blue carpet, Rory Jaworski.
Right!
Also here with us tonight, Marina Bautista.